When does quantum computing's ChatGPT moment arrive? IonQ, D-Wave, Rigetti, QUBT. All four use the same word, quantum, but they're completely different bets, different technology, different revenue, different odds of survival. The moment you buy them as one basket just because they share a sector, you're not buying the leader, you're buying the meme stock's risk along with it. Today we compare all four in one episode. First, all four at a glance. IonQ uses trapped ions, a vertically integrated player spanning hardware and networking. D-Wave uses quantum annealing and is the only one actually booking commercial revenue. Rigetti runs superconducting gates and even owns its own fab, Quantum's would-be Intel. QUBT is the photonics theme stock to end all theme stocks, with essentially zero revenue. As a sector, quantum sits in the expert phase of the S-curve, the same spot as the internet in the 1990s, or deep learning just before 2015. Split by technology, these are four entirely different lineages. IonQ's trapped ions deliver the highest fidelity, qubit quality, plus all-to-all connectivity and even room temperature operation. D-Wave's annealing isn't general purpose, but it's instantly effective on optimization problems. Rigetti's superconducting approach shares a lineage with IBM and Google, lending credibility, but putting it on a collision course with big tech QUBT photonics still has unproven fidelity and unclear general use. Inside that one word, quantum, sits radically different physics. Now the money. In 2024, IonQ led with roughly $43 million in revenue, Rigetti around $11 million, D-Wave about $9 million. QUBT is effectively zero, about 1/100th of its peers. But the key is that D-Wave's revenue is real commercial income from actual companies running optimization. On cash, IonQ leads with around $1.5 billion, the biggest war chest. Yet they share one thing, all four are losing money. Their valuations rest not on revenue but on price-to-sales ratios in the hundreds, pure future expectation. Each company's risk has a different color. Rigetti sits in the same superconducting camp as IBM, Google, and AWS, so it faces the heaviest big tech threat. QUBT carries a triple burden, unfinished tech, valuation bubble, and short seller target. It's a repeat mark for reports like icebergs. And all four share structural risk, constant share issuance diluting holders, price-to-sales ratios in the hundreds, and the danger that a quantum winter drags them all down. .com style. A single remark from Jensen Huang knocking the group down 30% is the proof. So when does the ChatGPT moment come, and who benefits? Two triggers. First, an error correction breakthrough. Google's Willow already crossed that inflection point. Second, public recognition of a clear commercial advantage. Consensus puts true fault tolerance between 2028 and 2030, meaning we're somewhere between GPT-2 and GPT-3 right now. When it hits, the biggest winners are the camps leading on fidelity and error correction, IonQ and Rigetti. D-Wave is the only hedge already earning money before the moment, while QUBT risks being left behind if it can't prove substance even after the moment arrives. The verdict. IonQ, quality, cash, and networking all aligned, the sector's leading candidate, a core watch. D-Wave, the only one earning real revenue now, a realistic hedge, watch. Rigetti, appealing fab and fidelity, but on a collision course with big tech, high-risk watch. QUBT, an unproven theme stock, avoid, effectively speculation. Signal's message is one line. Quantum computing isn't a question of whether the ChatGPT moment comes, but when. Yet even when it does, these four won't rise together. The first illusion to break is that they're all the same quantum.